In this video, we'll go over some of the most crucial workouts for weight loss. In order to reduce the time it takes for you to try multiple exercises before deciding which one is best for you. Our goal in this video is to give you tips and a straightforward explanation for each exercise and its advantages. Watch all of the exercises and pick the appropriate exercising at home or in the gym.
According to estimates, every time, over half of all Americans make trouble to reduce weight. The alternate most common strategy after diets is exercise for people looking to exfoliate redundant weight. By burning calories, it aids weight loss. Exercise not only aids in weight loss but also improves mood, strengthens bones. This is a list of the stylish weight loss exercises. Walking is among the best exercises for weight loss, and for good reason. It's an easy and practical way for new exercisers to avoid being overwhelmed or having to buy equipment. It's also a lower impact activity, so your joints aren't stressed. According to Harvard Health, a 155-pound individual will burn around 175 calories while walking for 30 minutes at a leisurely speed of 4 miles per hour. In a 12-week experiment involving 20 obese women, walking for 50 to 70 minutes, 3 times a week, reduced body fat and waist circumference by an average of 1.5% and 1.1 inches, respectively. You may simply fit walking into your daily routine. To boost the amount of steps you take each day, try walking during your lunch break, climbing the stairs at work, or going on extra walks with your dog. Aim to go for a 30-minute walk 3 to 4 times a week to begin. As you get fitter, you might gradually increase the length or frequency of your walks.
Running and jogging are great exercises for losing weight. According to Harvard Health, a person weighing 155 pounds will burn around 288 calories while jogging at 5 miles per hour or 360 calories while running at 6 miles per hour for 30 minutes. Additionally, studies have indicated that jogging and running can help burn visceral fat, popularly known as belly fat. This type of fat, which has been connected to various chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease, surrounds your interior organs. Running and jogging are both fantastic activities that can be done anywhere and are simple to include in your weekly regimen. Try jogging for 20 to 30 minutes at first, 3 to 4 times a week. Try jogging or running on softer terrain, such as grass, if you feel that running or jogging outside is difficult on your joints. Inbuilt cushioning is another feature found on many treadmills, which may make them gentler on your joints. A popular exercise that improves fitness and promotes weight loss is cycling. Although stationary bikes are frequently seen in gyms and fitness centers, cycling is primarily an indoor activity. A 155-pound individual is thought to burn around 252 calories per 30 minutes of stationary cycling at a moderate speed, or 288 calories per 30 minutes of cycling at a moderate pace according to Harvard Health. Cycling is great for weight loss, but studies also indicate that regular cyclists are physically fitter in general, have improved insulin sensitivity, and have a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and death. Cycling is beneficial for people of all fitness levels, from beginners to athletes. Your joints won't be under a lot of stress because it doesn't entail any weight bearing and has a gentle impact. Lifting weights is a popular method for those who desire to lose weight. A person who weighs 155 pounds exercises for 30 minutes and extends roughly 108 calories. Another study discovered that men's metabolic rates increased by 9% after 24 weeks of weight training or an additional 140 calories per day. Women's metabolic rates rose by about 4% or 50 extra calories per day. Furthermore, research has shown that after a weight training session, your body continues to burn calories for several hours, unlike after an aerobic workout. Interval training, also known as HIIT, is a broad term for short bursts of intense activity that are separated by rest intervals. Interval training workout usually lasts between 10 and 30 minutes and can result in significant calorie burn. According to a study including 9 active guys, interval training burns 25 to 30% more calories per minute than other kinds of exercise like weight training, cycling, and treadmill running. This suggests that interval training can help you exercise less while increasing your calorie burn. Interval training is also particularly successful in losing belly fat, which is linked to many chronic conditions, according to multiple studies. It's easy to incorporate interval training into your exercise regimen. Simply choose an exercise, like biking, running, or jumping, along with your workout and recovery times. For instance, while riding a bike, pedal as quickly as you can for 30 seconds before cycling gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat this method for 10 to 30 minutes. Swimming is an excellent way to lose weight and tone up. A 155-pound person may burn around 216 calories by swimming for 30 minutes, according to Harvard Health. It appears that the amount of calories you burn when swimming varies. The breaststroke burns the most calories, followed by the butterfly, backstroke, and freestyle, according to a study of elite swimmers. A 12-week research of 24 middle-aged women found that swimming for 60 minutes 3 times a week for 12 weeks significantly reduced body fat, enhanced flexibility, and decreased many risk high blood triglycerides and total cholesterol are risk factors for heart disease. The extra benefit of swimming is that it is low impact, which is better for your joints. This makes it an excellent remedy for people who suffer joint pain or injuries. A popular type of exercise and stress alleviation is yoga. Yoga may burn a respectable amount of calories and has many additional benefits, even though it's not usually thought of as a weight loss exercise. According to Harvard Health, a 155-pound person may burn roughly 144 calories in 30 minutes of yoga. Those who practiced yoga twice a week for 90 minutes exhibited greater declines in waist circumference. Yoga may not only aid in weight loss but also in developing mindfulness and reducing stress, according to study. Although yoga classes are frequently provided in gyms, you may practice yoga anywhere. Due to the abundance of internet instructional videos, this includes performing it from home in the comfort of your own home. Pilates is a great, simple exercise that might help with weight reduction. According to study supported by the American Council on Exercise, a person weighing around 140 pounds would burn 108 calories during a 30-minute beginner's Pilates session. Pilates is typically enjoyable, making it easier to sustain over time even if it may not burn as many calories as aerobic exercises like jogging. An 8-week research of 37 middle-aged women found that performing Pilates exercises for 90 minutes 3 times per week significantly reduced waist, stomach, and hip circumference compared to a control group that undertook no exercise during the same time frame. Pilates may aid in weight loss, lower back pain relief, improved overall fitness, and increased strength. Consider include Pilates in your weekly agenda if it appeals to you. Pilates can be performed at one of the many gyms that provide the program or at home. To hasten weight loss even further, combine Pilates with a balanced diet or other forms of exercise like weightlifting or cardio. We have included an article on the weight loss diet that has been successful for many women and men. To learn more, click on the link in the description or the bio. Take exclusively natural weight loss supplements. Comparing long-term usage prescription weight loss medications to a placebo, which is a non-medicinal inactive therapy, the former results in significant weight reduction. More weight reduction occurs when weight loss medications and lifestyle modifications are used together than when lifestyle modifications are used alone. An additional 3% to 12% of total body weight can be decreased with these medications over the course of a year compared to lifestyle improvements alone. It might not appear to be a lot, yet, maintaining a weight loss of between 5 and 10% can have significant positive effects on your health. For instance, it can reduce triglyceride levels in the blood, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Let us briefly tell you why we recommend Fengold. If you're looking to lose weight, Fengold is a dietary supplement that may be worth considering. Fengold is a natural, safe, and effective weight loss supplement that is designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Fengold is made up of a unique blend of natural ingredients that work together to help suppress your appetite, boost your metabolism, and increase your energy levels. By reducing your cravings and increasing your metabolism, Fengold can help you burn more calories throughout the day, even when you're not exercising. Unlike many other weight loss supplements, Fengold is made with natural ingredients and is free from harmful chemicals and stimulants. It's also suitable for vegetarians and vegans, and is gluten-free and soy-free, making it a great choice for people with dietary restrictions. In addition to its weight loss benefits, Fengold can also help improve your overall health and well-being. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, lower cholesterol levels, and even improve your cognitive function. Overall, if you're looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight, Fengold may be a great option for you. With its natural ingredients, proven results, and numerous health benefits, it's definitely worth considering as part of your weight loss journey. Several variables affect how much weight you might anticipate to lose with exercise. 1. Age. As you age, you tend to have less muscle mass and more fat mass, which causes your BMR to decline. If your BMR is lower, losing weight could be harder. 2. Gender. Compared to men, women frequently have a larger ratio of fat to muscle, which might affect their BMR. Despite eating the same number of calories as women, males frequently lose weight more quickly than women do. 3. Diet. You can lose weight when you burn more calories than you consume. Thus, you need to be in a calorie deficit in order to lose weight. 4. Sleep. Research suggests that having little sleep may make it more difficult to lose weight and may even increase your cravings for high-calorie foods. 5. Weight at birth. Individuals who weigh more at birth often have greater basal metabolic rates. This represents the quantity of calories your body expends while carrying out essential life-supporting procedures. Your BMR will determine how many calories you burn when awake and asleep. 6. Medical problems. Those with conditions including depression and hypothyroidism may experience slower weight loss. 7. Weight loss has a hereditary component, according to genetic research, which may have an impact on certain fat people. Despite the fact that most people want to lose weight quickly, experts typically suggest losing 1 to 2 pounds, or around 1% of your body weight, each week. A rapid weight loss program might be harmful to one's health. For example, it might result in muscle loss and increase the risk of conditions including gallstones, tiredness, malnutrition, headaches, irritability, constipation, hair loss, and irregular menstrual cycles. Those who lose weight too quickly also have a higher chance of gaining it back. It's important to keep in mind that losing weight is not a linear process, and that you often lose more weight when you first start.